Welcome to our guide on modern backyard landscaping ideas. Whether you have a sprawling yard or a compact outdoor space, these ideas will help you create a contemporary oasis that's both stylish and functional. Modern landscaping is all about clean lines, minimalism, and the seamless blend of nature with architecture. It's a style that emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and an uncluttered aesthetic. In modern landscaping, structure is key. Use hardscaping elements like retaining walls, planters, and pergolas to define spaces and add architectural interest. Opt for minimalist planting with a focus on texture and shape rather than color. Think sculptural plants, grasses, and carefully placed trees that add visual interest without overwhelming the space. A modern backyard often features a neutral color palette. Use shades of gray, white, and black in your hardscaping, furniture, and decor to create a cohesive and calming environment. Incorporate a water feature with a sleek, modern design. Consider options like a reflective pool, a simple wall fountain, or a geometric water basin to add tranquility and a focal point to your backyard. A modern backyard isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality. Create outdoor living areas with comfortable seating, dining spaces, and even outdoor kitchens that blend seamlessly with the landscape. Lighting plays a crucial role in modern landscaping. Use strategically placed lighting to highlight key features, create ambience, and extend the usability of your backyard into the evening. Modern landscaping often embraces eco-friendly principles. Consider incorporating drought-tolerant plants, rain gardens, and sustainable materials to create a backyard that's not only beautiful but also environmentally responsible. Add a touch of modern artistry with outdoor sculptures or wall art. These pieces can serve as focal points and conversation starters, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your backyard. Privacy is essential in creating a comfortable outdoor retreat. Use modern solutions like slatted screens, tall hedges, or frosted glass panels to ensure your backyard feels secluded and peaceful. If your backyard has varying elevations, embrace them with a multi-level design. Use terraces, steps, and retaining walls to create distinct areas for different activities, all while maintaining a cohesive look. Modern landscaping often features materials like concrete, steel, and glass. These materials add a contemporary edge to your backyard, creating a sleek and polished look. Vertical gardens are a perfect solution for adding greenery to small spaces. Use wall-mounted planters or trellises to grow plants vertically, maximizing space and adding a lush, natural element to your modern backyard. Geometric shapes are a hallmark of modern landscaping. Use square, rectangular, and circular forms in your layout, from pathways to planters to patio designs, to create a cohesive and structured look. Modern landscaping is about creating a space that is both stylish and functional. By incorporating these ideas, you can transform your backyard into a contemporary oasis that reflects your personal taste and lifestyle. inspired to redesign your backyard? Start planning today and turn your outdoor space into a modern retreat. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more landscaping ideas, and share your thoughts in the comments below.